Happy morning, children. Last week I taught you about birds, feathers and feet. No, children? Yes, you have seen the different pictures, no, children, about the different feathers and the feet. Now I am going to teach you one activity about this. Okay, children, let's go. Come on. In workbook 2, page number 161. Page number 161. Now you can see, children, the different birds and feathers and well as the feet. Okay, children. Now let's see some birds. You see what birds are there in the picture. Come on. What bird is this, children? It's a crow. What bird is this? It's a crow. What bird is this, children? It's a parrot. Parrot. Peacock. Peacock. Duck. Duck. Okay, children, let's tell again. Come on. Crow, crow, parrot, parrot, peacock, peacock, duck, duck. Okay, children, now what we're going to do is match the birds with the correct feet. So you have to match the birds with the correct feet. One has been done for you. Feet well as the feathers, you have to put a line. So one has done for you, no, children. One has done for you, no, children. Now let's do the next two. Come on. Okay, where's the crow's feathers, children? Where's the crow's feather? Which is crow's feathers? Which one? This is a crow feather? Oh no. This is a crow feather? No. This one? Yes. So what do you have to do? You have to match it with the crow's feather. Where's the feet for the crow? Which one? This is the feet of the crow? No. This? No. This one? Yes. So what do you have to do? You have to match it. From here you have to come down and match it. Okay, children? Next one. Next one what you are going to see is the peacock. What is this? Peacock. Where's the peacock's feather, children? This is the peacock's feather? No. This one? Yes. So you have to put a line. Okay, where's the peacock's legs? Where's legs? Peacock's legs. This one? No. This? Yes. That was the peacock's feet. That means legs. Okay, children. Next, what is this? The duck. Where's the duck's feathers, children? This one. So you have to put a line. Then where's the feet for it? Here. Okay, children. Now you have understood how to draw lines with children and match it. Okay, children. Practice at home. Bye. Take care.